What if music sample clearances could be fully automated? With the frictionless production workflow heralding a return to the late 80s and early 90s golden age of creative sample-based music making, MashUp is a music sample clearance solution that enables rights owners to generate royalties with unprecedented transparency, while producers of new sample-bearing works can avoid expensive, unpredictable and time-consuming negotiations. At its core is a complex system of algorithms that quantify the fiscal value of every music sample. The MashUp calculator was devised through my PhD project and honed through extensive consultation with prominent music lawyers, publishers, label execs, artists and producers. MashUp users access the tool from within their existing software-based workflow. A simple search and preview function allows the user to identify the right sample and drag it into their project. Royalty splits between the rights owners of sampled works and the producer of the new work are presented in real time, with fluctuations based on variables such as the duration of the sample used, how often a sample is repeated, and the profile of the sampled work, with more established works having a higher valuation. This example shows a vocal sample from IDGAF by Drake being added. As the sample is repeated more often, you can see the royalty share for the rights owner rising accordingly, so the producer of the new work can see precisely how their creative decision-making impacts co-ownership of the new work. In this example, where multiple samples feature in the new work, the MashUp calculator details these in the same way. When the user is ready to publish their new sample-bearing work, a small admin charge is applied to cover registration costs as the new co-owned work is created and distributed. We anticipate the majority of users being independent producers, given that the quantity of users of computer music software has multiplied more than 5-fold within the last decade, while the fiscal value of sales has increased 7-fold. Sample use within new works also continues to grow across many genres. Rights owners are invited to opt in via a license agreement underpinned by the MashUp calculator, enabling co-ownership of new works from which MashUp takes a 5% stake. We acknowledge, however, that labels would wish to manage their own distribution, so are open to negotiating pragmatic label-based arrangements. We invite music catalogue rights owners and music software developers to get in touch as we seek to launch in 2024.